Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you one trick in Excel that's very handy when you want to calculate a cell which doesn't only contain the numbers but also a text. Okay, so this is my sample data and I have two columns: count and item cost price, right? And in the third column, I have this multiplication: 30 items into 4 rupees is equal to 120 rupees, right? So but these cells not only have the numbers but also have the text. How can I calculate, how can I add and multiply these things? Yes, that's what the trick of today's video. So let me show you. Okay, let me add these two, right? So is equal to this item star this. So yeah, I'm getting the value as 1200 rupees. Okay, so let me show you a fresh sheet how this is done. So basically this is all about formatting the cell. Let me add a new cell. Let me increase the visibility. Okay, so item cost, item count, total cost. Okay, so this will be rupees 20, rupees 100, rupees 1000, etc., right? So for that I'm gonna go to the format cells. I'm in Mac. The flow will be same but the screen may look different. Okay, so go to custom and go to general, take out this general. So I need that rupees string first and then the actual value, right? So double quotes RS. In Indian format we say rupees. You can do it for any other currency because this string will be ignored when calculation is done. Okay, that's all. So be careful. Within a quotes you have to say rupees and then 0. Say okay. Okay, in this column it should be number, right? So go to format cells, again go to custom, general, take out this. So here the number will appear first and the string later. So 0, then space, double quote, items. Okay, and let me put this cost 1200 rupees, rupees 1200. 23 items, 23 items. Now let me calculate. Is equal to this into this, 23 into 1200, right? So here also I need that rupees, right? So the output will be, the total will be in the form of rupees. So let me do the same thing for this as well. Instead you just gonna format the copy the format and then paste it. Okay, so if you see here, go to format cell, custom, came out default. Okay, so I'll show you again. So go to format cell, custom, and then what you need based, if you need a string first and then the value, you just say double quote rupees and then space, close the double quote, say 0, right? This 0 is a placeholder. Okay, same thing here, you need the number first and then the string, 0 space double quote items. Okay, so 45 rupees, 120 pieces is equal to this star this. Okay, let me format this. Okay, okay, so this entire section is now formatted properly. So whenever I add numbers, right, based on the cell format, it will take the value. So 1 rupee, 100 pieces. Copy the formula. 1000 so and so rupees, 2 items. Okay, so that's all folks. So the key here is you need to format the cell such a way that it takes two parts, integer part and a string part, right? So based on, I mean, it doesn't matter where you put, right? So the string part, whatever you put, will be ignored when you do the arithmetic calculation. So other, I mean, the string, only the number will be considered. Let me do an addition, right? Okay, let me do this way, is equal to this plus this. Again, because I'm using rupees here, it will appear rupees here as well. I can change it to items, right? So that should be straightforward. Okay, that's all for today guys. Thank you, and see you later. Bye bye.